Out driving again on a nice day. I'm just really glad that we've been having these cool summer days. No heat wave, so that means my car is loving it. So far, no issues with overheating. We shall see if those issues crop up and bumper to bumper traffic. I'm hoping that doesn't come up. Oh my goodness. I saw 9 psi on the gauge here. It always puts a smile on your face. I can only wish that the camera would pick up all the sensations of this car, and largely the orgasmic audio symphony that the spool, that the boost produces. I mean, that's how I feel about it. I miss this car. Maybe I will try and fix this clutch. Just have to replace it. I already have it. But that means if I'm gonna do that, I'm pulling the tranny. I'm gonna replace the tranny too. I mentioned in my previous video, this has a short geared V16 tranny, and I don't like how short it is. So swapping tranny, swapping clutch, no problem, right? But then I've got my quaif in this V16 tranny. I've got the LSD in this trans. So that means I gotta pull the trans apart, pull the quaif out, and put it into the LS tranny. Stuff that I, used to love doing in my younger years and earlier in my car enthusiast days. But now it's just, it's a chore. It's all work. We shall see. I am loving this car again. Loving how it drives. Back when I first built this car, I had no fear. No fears of just going all out on this thing. And afterwards, I got into motorcycles, which is a lot more dangerous. Arguably faster, probably not. Now I'm just so careful with this thing. I was hoping I could get around these guys. And she's gonna do 30. Please turn. Yes. Okay, I don't have much road left. Crap. 2 to 3.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Feel everything in this car. Everything.
Dealing with that sound. Cars.
The clutch, the traction bar.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate the traction bar.
Is that what that noise is?
Oh, the clunking stuff. Yeah. Can't get away from from that.
Yeah.
Okay, folks, we are in the car with Mr. Epitax Productions. Taking him for a ride
Yes.
in good old Project Bluelight, which hasn't been driven, and he probably hasn't been in this car maybe over 10 years.
It's been at least 10 years.
So
I can't believe it's actually resurrected.
I can't believe it either. I can't believe it either. So let's go for a little bit boost run here. Not much. We don't have much room.
I feel that thing's small. Wow. Starting to break loose.
Yes, it does that.
Street tires are completely useless.
And these are AO32Rs, wide tires.
That's only on wastegate. Wow.
And that's actually, I don't know if you can't hear it, but the plugs are probably a little fouled. So it was missing a little bit.
Oh, okay. Could you actually feel it?
Oh yeah, I can feel it on the pedal.
Yeah. Nice. Ah, man.
I missed that, right?
Yeah, it's been a long time. Boost. Boost! Puts you back.
Totally.
Oh.
Can you? Shoot. Never even looked at my mirror. They're totally unadjusted.
Oh, I just moved it now.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
For you?
Me.
Why would you do it for you? You're not on a bike, man.
Wanted to see
That's
if
for me.
wanted to see if there's cogs behind us.
Oh. I haven't pushed the car down much yet.
No.
At all.
Handled that like a champ, no problem.
I don't know. Maybe some bolts have already fallen off. Who knows? Right?
I wonder what power it's making at 10 psi. Probably.
Close to 4.
Is it that much?
Close to 4.
I was
Yeah.
gonna say 300 range.
Well, at 13, at wastegate, it's going to be close to 4.
Wow.
13 pounds.
Probably 5 at full boost. 5.5.
Hmm?
Probably what, 5.5, 550
Full?
full boost.
At 20.
20
I got it.
PSI?
I got it tuned up to 22 psi.
Yeah.
So really, who knows? Who knows?
Tuning in Mexico, right?
At the track. I got my video logs
Yeah.
of.
They don't let us do that anymore with laptops. Data logging.
They never did back then. I just hit it.
Technically. Yeah.
Should we go straight or left?
Go left. So this thing only runs on 94 octane, right?
Oh, I can run it. Well, you know, at wastegate, yeah, 94.
I wouldn't run it on anything less.
No, I wouldn't.
So did you put fresh gas in it and everything, and did you change the oil and all that?
Everything's done.
Yeah. Good. What do you run for oil in this thing?
Rotella?
Oh really? Yeah. Why not?
Yeah,
Yeah, that'd be good for a boost engine for sure.
yeah, it's perfect. It's cheap.
Cheap and effective.
Yeah, I do that too.
It's an air brake.
Yeah.
Awesome, this thing's actually running. That's so cool. Been under a storage for 10 years. Storage turn. Oh, here we go.
Oh man.
Wow.
That
Every gear. Yeah. Rubber in all 4 gears. No problem.
Wow.
I'm sure it would do fifths too. Yeah, that thing hauls ass.
These are the fattest stars that could fit. AO32Rs.
Eat slacks.
And yes, that was barely 10 psi.
Yeah.
That's big turbo for you. Well, not big, not overly big.
You had this thing on 20 at the track?
Yeah,
Yeah.
barely making 20.
Can't even imagine.
Yeah.
It's so fast. On gas too. Wow.
Yes. Man, it ate up through that gas already? No.
Boost will do that. It's nice, man. Relief I'm in this thing again.
I can't believe it's out on the road.
Sheesh.
Oh, I missed the green. Oh don't like sitting at the light.
Just make a left if you want.
I have anxiety. Sitting at the light.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Overheating?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is my anxiety
It's got
issue.
a pretty thick half radiator at least, doesn't it?
Oh, it's tiny.
It's not
Tiny
a thick
full
one.
race one.
Oh.
Well, it's this thick. It's dual, but
Yeah.
it's also
Just
visual.
the square footage is
Yeah,
small.
it's small and it's right beside the damn manifold. Manifold is killing it.
That's traffic. So what's more fun, the bike or this thing?
That's hard to say right now.
Yeah.
It's always going to be the bike.
Yeah, I suppose, but this thing's fun.
But it's always going to be the bike. But when I get in this thing,
It's addictive.
another major problem I need to say about this car, and more anxiety driving it, is how much of a heat score it is. In this day and age with the cops basically VIing everyone, it takes so much attention that it worries me to drive around in it.
At least it doesn't look too flashy, it's just low.
All the big ass intercoolers.
Yeah. That's not really too
Anyway.
noticeable. Unless they're specifically looking for that.
So it's funny. I think I get more looks now than I did back then, because probably people are noticing that, hey, we don't see these cars around anymore.
No, they really don't. Not clean ones anyway.
Unless they're rusty old buckets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that was fun. Man. Boost.
Well, here she is, folks. Just gonna do a walk around in this thing. I haven't done it yet. It's here, back in its stomping grounds at the Ghetto Garage. We're just taking it out for a spin. And yep, all the memories have come back. All the memories have come back of this car. All the good and the bad. But yeah, she's alive.
Thing still.
I'd like it to.
You think that would go somewhere?
I'm in shock. Runs good too.
You think that would go somewhere?
Go where?
On the racetrack and beat everybody?
That's what it was built for.
Looking good. It's all anxiety when you race. Absolutely, everything is anxiety. Oh my gosh. Did that just happen? Good. Crazy. The GJR gang is here too.
Yeah.
Why are you here early, Ian? Where's Cher? She's not coming?
He's on the motorcycle.
Ah! No wonder. That's awesome. It's like the Ghetto Garage crew is here.
Why is it making that sound?
That's the exhaust. It's farting. The car likes to fart.
Stinky.
Yeah, I know.
Like, that's awesome, dude. Yeah. Doing good? Did it.